Thanks for meeting with me today, June. I've been thinking a lot about the potential partnership we discussed last week, and I believe we can take to the next level.
Absolutely, Mark. I've been excited to hear more about your proposal. From what you shared briefly, it sounded promising. Let's dive into the details.
Great. So my idea is to launch a sustainable packaging company. As you know, the demand for eco-friendly packaging has been growing rapidly due to environmental concern and government regulation. I think there's a hard market opportunity here, especially with more business moving away from plastic.
That sounds interesting, Mark. What kind of the product are we talking about? And what's your vision for the company?
Well, focus on biodegradable and compostable packaging solution. This includes things like food, container shopping bags, and even product packaging for e-commerce business. My vision is to offer customizable packaging solutions to business, giving them a great option without compromising on quality or design.
I like that. There's definitely a shift towards sustainability, especially in the food and retail industries. How do you see us standing out from the competition?
Excellent question. Our competitive edge will the twofold. First will emphasize local production to cut down on costs and carbon emissions. Most sustainable packaging is imported, making it more expensive for business. If we can produce it locally, we can offer better pricing. Second, will focus on sustainability. Will allow business to order packaging in smaller quantities with option for branding and design, which is something a lot of competitors don't offer without high minimum orders.
I see. The local production angle could be a game changer. Do you have any potential suppliers or manufacturers in mind?
Yes, I already reaching out to a few suppliers who specialize in biodegradable materials. Plus, I've been in touch with a manufacturing plant that has experiences producing eco-friendly product. They show interest in partnering with us when we're ready to start production.
Sounds like you have done your homework. What kind of investment are you looking at, and what would be my role in the business?
I'm looking at an initial investment of around 150,000 to cover manufacturing equipment and initial marketing effort. As for your role, I see you as a co-founder with your background in logistics and operation. You would handle production, oversight and supply chain management, and focus on sales, marketing, and client relations.
Mm, that makes sense. And what's the expected timeline for the breaking event?
Given the current demand, I project will break even within 12-18 months. Our margins on each product are solid, and with the right marketing, we can start generating significant rene- revenue in the first 6 months.
That's a reasonable time frame. I'm interested, Mark, but I need to see a more detailed financial plan and a clear strategy for scaling. How do you see the company growing after the first year?
After establishing a strong local presence, we can expand into nearby regions. I've also been thinking about building partnership with larger retailers and food chains who would benefit from a bulk supply of sustainable packaging. Eventually, we can also explore exporting to neighboring countries with limited access to local produce, sustainable materials.
I like the sound of that. Let's do this. Send me the detailed financials, and I will review everything by the end of the week. If all looks good, we can set up another meeting to finalize our partnership.
Perfect. I have the documents over to you by tomorrow. I really appreciate your time and consideration, June. I think we can make something great together.
Likewise, Mark, I'm looking forward to seeing where this goes.